along very slowly. We have, what am I stepping on? I'm stepping on a zip tie. We have the hub coming off. We have the axles about to come off and go to the shop. And I just got my new winch put in. Right there. I'm gonna order the bumper. And then, or either a bumper, or I don't know. I'm planning on ordering the bumper. There's a worn bumper for the Suzuki Vinson. This light bar is kind of little nasty rigged, but it works, so, you know. But yeah, I got the Badlands winch, Harbor Freight, 70 bucks. It's not even that bad. One thing I don't like about it though is this little like piece up here. I had to drill a hole through there, but now I don't know where to put the bottom piece. Just like stuck or whatever. But I got the Badlands 2500 mounted up here, but this stupid screw won't even go in, bolt in, so I guess I'm gonna have to get a new bolt right there. But it'll still fire up. Shit. There we go, got spark. But here's my winch wind up. It's kind of stupid, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So moving along slowly. Video coming, riding video coming this weekend. Got a whole group going riding this weekend, so hopefully we'll have this thing done by Friday and ready to go riding. So yeah, just a little update, let y'all guys know that probably be ordering the bumper if I don't get a lawnmower to start mowing again around the neighborhood and stuff. Yeah, Badlands 2500 going in, easy installation. I actually really recommend this winch to anybody who wants a winch on a four-wheeler. 70 bucks, 90-day, get your money back, 90-day warranty. And then I also bought the synthetic rope. It comes with this winch plate, but got another one. This is a plate to buy extra. I really shouldn't have bought it. But here's the synthetic rope. So once that rope wears out, I'll install the synthetic on it. It's pretty nice, actually. Pretty nice little setup right here. But this is the one that came with the plate that I got on there. See, it's the Badlands. But yeah, planning on, there's my bag, but planning on drilling another hole in here. See, there's my hole to the wiring system. So basically what you do is set this winch up, just get a plate, mount it wherever you want it. Make sure you put these on because you'll get water into your winch. And then wire it up through your bike. This is what I had most troubles with. Just, you know, trying to get this on, because that's kind of stupid. But, you know, it's whatever. And then you just wire it through your bike, pull it up to your battery, and make sure you have this connected to your battery, so it'll start a spark. Light your bike on fire. But, you know, easy winch, easy installation. I really like the winch. It works well. I can show y'all what it does. I power this on. I should be holding this, but you want to hold this, and then I can just extend it. And just crack it in. Gosh, dang, I just screwed it up. But, let's try to get this out now. This is going to be really scratched up by the end of my riding trip this weekend. Not very good that I'm doing this. Don't get to play it like this, guys. Yeah. But, thanks for watching. We'll see you.